guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching the 7 minis from the new Catrice Oktoberfest limited edition collection. This collection contains only nail polishes. I think there were like 7 minis and 4 bigger polishes which are already in their regular collection, so I didn't get those because the chances are like 10 out of 10 that I already have those in my collection. So I just picked up the tiny ones. These contain 5 milliliters and I think I bought them for like $1.99 each, so they are quite affordable. But of course, if you compare it to their full-size ones, which are I think 10 or 11 milliliters and they are $2.99, these are a little bit more expensive if you like do the math and stuff. But yeah, the polishes are really cute. These are all new colors, so I don't have these in my collection so far, and I just love that there is like the little pretzel on the front. It is Oktoberfest themed. Of course, I am an October born girl myself, so yeah, I really can't wait to share my swatches with you guys. But of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you will like this video. Let me know in the comment section down below as well what you think about these colors. Are you thinking of purchasing some yourself? Of course, you have to be fast because these are limited edition. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well.
So before getting into the swatches and so on, I just wanted to say a big thank you for all the birthday wishes from last Wednesday when it was my 31st birthday. I really appreciate it. I have read and replied to pretty much all of your comments and just little messages on Instagram as well. So thank you so much for that. I love you so much. Yeah, for this particular video I am not able to do a full-on voiceover because life is getting in the way. I can't really say too much about it, but I am pretty much moving. I have purchased, or am in the middle of actually purchasing, a new home, and the move is like 40 towards 50 minutes away from where I live now. So yeah, it takes up a lot of time, so sorry about that. But I'm just going to quit the rambling, just add some relaxing music, and I really hope you enjoy all of these swatches. The colors I have swatched for 2 coats each on top of my thumb, and yes, I still hadn't had the chance to actually redo my thumb with the little gel base and top coat, so please ignore that. The colors on its own just show what they are like in 2 coats. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for now. Thank you so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.